I wanted to combine it with some travel, so Portugal seemed like a great place to come. I'm Henry Lowe and I'm from the north of England. I've just graduated from the University of Nottingham and I was looking to get a bit of experience digging. I found out about it online actually, on the website I think. A 2-week dig was just perfect. Get some extra experience and enjoy the Portuguese sun while I'm here. So we've been doing lots of different archaeological techniques on site, all your standard troweling, maticking. I've taken a few photographs, different recording techniques. We've done some site drawings, which is all really useful to gain experience. And off-site we've been having a great time back at the house in Safara, going to restaurants, playing games. It's been great.